I know it's been a minute. I took a brain break from social media, but now I got a project. Cool old kind of RV stove, camp stove. We're gonna see if we can get it refinished, or at least working, so I can can on it. No idea the make, the model, or the year. We're gonna see if we can pry the top of it off, clean it out. Knobs are all gone, some of the stuff is bent, but hopefully I can get it working and we can use it to process canning stuff outside. I got it apart. It's just a little skanky in there, but the valves all look all right. I'm gonna shop bag it and get the grinder to cut some of these screws off. Well, I vacuumed it out, washed it out. Can't hardly read it, but it's a Premier Stoves K55DA. Don't see much on it online. It's old. We'll see if we can blow it out with some air and hook some propane up to it and see if it works. Be back in a minute. Well, that took longer than expected. After numerous trips, got the fittings and I got the hose and the regulator. Let's put it together and see if we can make fire. It's on. Look there. Nothing out of that one yet. Might be plugged. Don't know. Let's see about burner light. Hey, look at that. Who has the flames? We have no flame from that one yet. I just don't think it was liking the wind. That's pretty good. I'm gonna do some cleaning and see if I can get this other pilot going. Maybe adjust them a little, because they definitely seem a little bit off. Well, I didn't get the total fire up. Had to do a little more cleaning and some adjusting, and fixed a line right there for the pilots. But I think it's gonna work. I'm gonna put it back together, and we're gonna set up a table to put it on and do some canning. Future me here. Guess what? It's working. 14 quarts of taters in that there canner. That's an all-American canner. In case you're wondering, they're the best canner I've ever used. But we've already done 12 quarts of carrots in there earlier today. Working pretty good. Had to put some heat shields on it because I am outside. I did move up to the porch. Kind of hard to see, but I have a big old porch in my house because chance of rain today. But I'm finishing up here. It's about 9 o'clock at night, and it's the 5th of July, so you probably hear some fireworks in the background. But hope you enjoyed my little rebuild, and I hope you're putting up some garden produce right now because it's that time of the year. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, check those awesome knobs. Those really are pieces of a blue food grade barrel that I epoxied on so that they wouldn't be hot to touch, and they work really great.